guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Target. I'm doing Target today. Listen, Walmart has been so slow lately that I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna go to Target. But if you're new here, real quick, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Shay with the pow pow. If you take seconds and subscribe, also make sure you smash like button. So listen, I'm at Target. Deals at Walmart really slow. For my bonus, I needed 12 offers for 5. And so literally I went to Dollar Tree. I did the gummies again. I had a doctor's appointment down the hill, so that's like 45 minutes away. And I went to a different Dollar Tree that I've never gone to. They were so stocked. They had 2 of the different offers on Ibotta for the gummies. And so I went ahead and grabbed 10 bags there. So that took care of 10 offers. So I only need 2 more. And I really didn't want to go to Walmart. And that's all I needed. I could just come down to Target since it's closer to me. And plus I wanted to do the household deal as well. Spend 50, get back $15 gift card. I also have a 10 off of 60 Target Circle as well that I want to do as a second transaction. Roll that 15 into that one to help lower the out of pocket. So that's kind of the goal for today. Now I do have the Clorox coupons for the Clorox deal. I'm hoping they scan because I haven't used IPs at Target in forever. Like, I'm not even sure at this point if they still take them. I'm not sure if they're going to scan. I know they do scan over at Walmart in self-checkout, and I have to use 4. And so I'm hoping that they work because that's my first transaction. If I get shot down at the first transaction, there ain't gonna be a second transaction, and if there ain't a second, there ain't gonna be a video. So I'm hoping that everything works out. I'll pop up my IP fairy right here. I did have 2, but the other guy, he keeps getting his channel shot down. So I went ahead and ordered a set from her. A set from her is 18 for $1. So definitely is an awesome deal. And they're good till the 30th. And so with that being said, we're gonna head into Target. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got to do, if you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, so I'm so late on doing this deal, but I did want to do it before the week was out. It is on the household products. It's spend 50, get back a $15 Target gift card. And for the Clorox wipes, their price at $5.89. We're grabbing 4 of them. We have an offer on inbox dollars that's buy 2, get back 5 with a limit of 2. And I'm also going to be grabbing the bleach. Their price at $6.49. And that offer is buy 2, get back 6 with a limit of 2. So we're grabbing 4 of each item. Now I'm not quite at $50 yet to get back the $15 gift card. So for that reason, we're going to be grabbing the Up and Up wipes, which are located in the travel section. They're priced at 89 cents. So that total for all 9 products is going to come to $50.41. I'll be using 4 of the 2 off of 2 printables from coupons.com. That should bring our total down to $42.41. We'll get back that $15 Target gift card, plus we'll get back a total of $22 on inbox dollars, bringing it down to only $5.41 for all 9 products, are only 60 cents each. All right, this next deal is on the Colgate Total. It's priced at $5.19. We're going to be getting back $4 on Ibotta, bringing that down to only $8.19. Next up is the Gorgie energy drink. Now I do have an offer on Social Nature for buy 1 and it's free, but I also have a buy 1 get 1 free offer through Aisle. So I'll be grabbing 2 of them at $2.59. We'll pay $5.18 out of pocket, get back $2.59 through Aisle as well as Social Nature, making them both free. All right, so next up is the Unreal Chocolate. I am barely getting around to doing this because they don't carry these at my Walmart. So grabbing it here at Target, and these are so good, especially the M&M ones. They're priced at $6.39. We have a free offer on Aisle. And so yeah, making this absolutely free and such a sweet deal. All right, so we're grabbing the Roar. They are priced at $2.59. We want to grab 2 of them. That total is going to come to $5.18. We'll be getting back $2.39 on Ibotta, bringing them down to only $8.39 each. All right, y'all, so this is the last deal. It's on the Byheart infant formula. It's priced at $37.99. We have a 50% back offer through Aisle, and we have $20 back on Ibotta. It's priced at $37.99, so it ends up being $1.01 moneymaker, which is really cool. Big shout out to Amy for letting me know about this deal. I wasn't gonna do it because it's a high out of pocket, But because I had the 10 off of 60 Target Circle, I figured why not? You know, we can add in some aisle offers, social nature offers to make it an even sweeter deal for me. And so definitely it's not a bad deal. I'll have a link in the description. Now, I did have to try the link 3 or 4 times before it worked. I know Amy said to try it again, and I kept trying, and it finally went through. Otherwise, I really thought it was a dead deal already. And so I'll have a link for you in the description. With that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for Target for today. This worked out really, really good. So obviously you see the Sentiva, so you know that the printables worked for me. I used 4, I went to self-checkout. They all scanned perfectly fine. I think the first 2 I scanned just by you know, scan it on the scanner thing, but the other 2 I had to use a little gun, but they all did go through, which is really cool because I didn't know what to expect. And so that worked out good. So with the first transaction, we ended up paying $42.41 out of pocket, got back the $15 gift card. Now I did have hiccups of the second transaction because the 10 off of 60 wasn't coming off. And originally I had the Gorgie, the Unreal, the hummus, the Colgate, and the baby formula, and it wasn't triggering. And so that's when I added the Roar because I couldn't think of what else to grab, and that's buy one get one free on Ibotta. And it still didn't come off, and so I was like, okay, what the what? And so I added the Idaho potatoes. Now I did have an offer on Fetch for buy one get back 70 cents, limit of 3, but I didn't check it. It has since changed to buy 2 get back 70. But since I did have to spend that extra bit to trigger the 10 off of 60, obviously I'm gonna keep it. Now come to find out, the Gorgie is on clearance for $129. I didn't know. I guess clearance doesn't track towards the $60. And so that's why it wasn't coming off. And so my total before the 10 off 60 was a little higher than I wanted it to be. It was $63.91. And so after that was $53.91. We rolled a $15 for the Clorox into it. And so we paid $38.91 out of pocket. And then I did hit the bonus on Ibotta for the weekend, which was, brought it to $31.49 on Ibotta. Aisles. Now for the Gorgie on aisles, I did get back the full amount for one of them, which was $2.59. So it made that a much better deal than I expected. However, it didn't credit me for social nature. And so first time I submitted the receipt, it picked up the hummus. The second time, it still missed the Gorgie, but it picked up the hummus again for the 50% back offer, so $2.50. I'm not sure if that's gonna go through or not. Obviously, I don't expect it to, so I'll have to put a ticket in for the Gorgie if it doesn't pick it up for $129. But I'll have to pin a comment, let you know how that worked out. But if I get back the $129 there plus that $2.59 on aisle, it'll make them both free plus $130, which is really cool. So that deal ended up being a lot better than I expected. And I've drank all the ones like that I've gotten, you guys. I told myself not to buy any more energy drinks until I use all the ones that I have at home. And so that's pretty much what I've been doing. Everything here retails $114.32. We had $18 in coupons and the 10 off of 60 Target Circle. Brought the out of pocket down to $96.32. Our sales tax was $371. Getting back $31.49 from Ibotta, $27.98 through aisles. Inbox dollar is $22. Target gift card was $15. Social nature $6.28. So walking away with a total of $102.75 makes everything you see here free plus a $6.43 maker, which is really, really cool. Now, if I count the gummies that I got from Dollar Tree towards this, since most of that was my bonus, was most of that, it still makes this haul like $1.07, which is still not a bad deal. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. In the comments, I want to see flowers, I suppose, if you make it to the end. And I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you next video. Bye, guys.